Habakran bargilap thai kubor Presiden Kakenhun ba Roy Kupar Kharaswai loong ba nakaliang Kakenhun hadian kejekran bat menteri ketenan kakoi kakhia kejelau ba elhek rengkat ke general langki officer ketenan nalor gibor penya jong ke GVK EMRI kilamun jur ban wengno e kejing sange trekam hadian beklayo e kejing kularan ba sarkar kan tuklar halor katek bentah katkum ko jitu kejung u karai ke ba penlong yiki ban wengno e kejing sange trekam kedai namar ba sarkar jela kalathung da ka komiti ba karpang bakan pen penya halor ki live flight li ki mat jingdawa ba kibu kenthop nadu kejing banbu ikinong tray kat kum ka jingdon kam hadu ka jing penbiang ki ambulans nolor ki kiwei lai thuru bana kaliang menteri lakular hapo arbnai ban penbait no ya ka jinge
ngilai keren de ba kata kami diman ka jungi ka long ba ka balak penbitar yangi ka long ba kadai nak ka transfer makila lek jubor maka transfer akan ka management jungi ka long kum ka kenja punishment lane kum ka kenja termination yangi te nakaliang jong health minister loong ba ke management kadiban stop no kadiban withdraw no ya kata ka jing I order juga ban transfer ban terminate lane ban suspend yano nakaliang jung health minister lo ai kata ka assurance pening jungi naka liang jong ka government hi kala simkhia ba ka ong ba confirm naka daga committee confirm naka committee nakaliang jong ka government hi but ban kli ban long chairman ha kata ka committee ndei u secretary health kumingi ki penbor ya ka umpnyang ru ki penbor bi khat ar khat lai khat sau ka mileage bangin ai kamut ngin suya top gear sa ka emergency don kambit ka gear ka behe mo bahkan scam ka kali bonong pang nom kenti nrengin suya gearet sa bahkan nombam penyang sino kan dilong ti kebu ka res ya ki ba kam yang ngiru ki betre ti ngesngu ban ong ban penbor hi ya ka sarkar baka di ban penyak hi da ka state government ya kan ke service kan
habakran bat menteri ulai thu ba katai ka komiti ka ban clear us katri ketan ka koi ka khia bat ru da mission director jong ka NHM nalor ki khon naka MEMRIWU naka GVK EMRI bat ki laingut ki DHS jong ka tanat ka ban pejnia halor ki live flight li ki mat ki jingdawa ki balapen sngo khamat ka sarkar shushu ulong ba kadai ka kamram jong ka sarkar jela ban pentikna ba ki nong tray EMRI kin sedang ban tray kambiang khanang bakan om kata ka koi khia chunpai ba ka jela.
Since there are so many demands and we have told that we have constituted one committee under the chairmanship of the Secretary Health and also MD of the NHM. So they have told to have 4 representatives from the workers union, 3 from representative from the GBK management, and all the 3 DHS Directorate of the Health Department, DHS MI, DHS MCH and DHS Research also will be the part of the member of the committee. And again they will, trying to discuss in details about all the charter demand and also the management service bureau book, but this has to be resolved at the earliest. The chairman of the new committee under the leadership of Mr. Praveen Bakshi, the managing director NHM and also Secretary Health, immediately he will convene the meeting to discuss on all the details, all the charter demand and also the management grievances also will be discussed in the next meeting.